Gavin Ace here from the Old Paracow store, and today we're doing a video on an Austin 7. We're fixing for a mate. It hasn't gone since about, I think, 2007. It's seized up. We're just going to free it up, get it running, moving around, and fix a few little rust holes in it. There's a bit where the bog's hanging off. We're just going to check behind that, make sure it's good steel, prime it up, and take it back to Auckland. And it will be for sale. If anyone's interested in it, let me know. We're going to try and get this little Austin going and tidy it up a bit. It's seized up, so we've whipped the spark plugs out. We're just going to put a bit of trans fluid down the bores and let it soak for a bit, and then see if we can't unseize it. Put a spark there. Find if you just get these points, if you just excite them, then they start to actually work. I think we're all good there. So this hasn't started since 2007. We've got a bit of spark at the distributor. Now we'll put some petrol in it, some water, see if we can get it to fire. It's got this cool little brass bird on the radiator. Nicely. If it starts off the key. Good. Can't fit this on the hoist. We've got a bit of rubber screwed to the floor on a piece of old carpet. And the moisture's got underneath it all. So we're going to cut that out, I think, put a new floor on it. Right, we burned that in, but probably should have just cut a big patch out of there, the whole floor, but never mind. We're trying not to do a complete floor pan, we're just trying to fill up the few little rust holes in here, so we're going to cut that out. That's that bit that went. So what happens you start chasing it around, and then it just starts going everywhere. But that's solid as now. No holes. So we'll try and attempt to do this one. This is what they've done. They've had a stuffed floor and they've just glued this crap to it so you couldn't see. Just all hot rivets, and I've stuck this crap to the floor. But I think the worst of it's this swage. That's the only hole, and we're not going to do the whole floor. So I think we'll just try patching this piece. Bearing. Failing that, it's the whole floor pan. Bit of a gnarly one. Bloody grinders. That's what happens when you're rushing.